Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter 34 and exercise 34a question number 5. I hope you have understood how to find mean. Mean formula for mean is sum of all the observations upon number of observations or sum of all the values upon number of values. Okay, it's very simple. Only thing is add properly. Addition should be done properly and division should be done properly. Alright. Then about the revision, I have uploaded few revisions and I hope you will be doing it. See, I have given date also 3rd of Feb. That doesn't mean you should wait up to last minute. 3rd of Feb. Please try to complete as soon as possible. Okay, because it will be good for you to revise properly. That's the reason why I have started revision so early. And if you have any doubt, you can have my previous videos and you can go through them. Okay, so see, I am not telling you to submit today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I have given 3rd Feb as the date, but you can submit today also, tomorrow also. Okay, it's not that since I have not given date, you should not submit. Means please don't waste till last moment. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say. Okay, we are on exercise 34a and question number 5th. The mean of 18, 28, x, 32, 14 and 36 is 23. Find the value of x. Okay, the mean of 18, 28, x, 32, 14 and 36 is 23. Find the mean of x. Means here x is a value, x is a data, x is an information, like 18 is information, 28 is information. Similarly, x is also a value or observation. Okay, and mean is given. Read question carefully. The mean of these is 23. So mean is given 23, not mean. This 23 is not a value, it's a mean. Okay, which we were finding out here. And find the value of x. Okay, no issues. Same type of things are there. Values are given, mean is given, x, value of x is you have to find out. So mean is equal to sum of values upon number of values. 23 upon 1 is equal to sum of values. So 18 plus 28 plus x plus 32 plus 14 plus 36. Mean is given 23 upon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of observations here are 6. Okay. Now cross multiplication. 23 multiplied by 6 left hand side, 1 into this. Okay, so here whatever will be the answer multiplied by 1, so same you will get here. So x plus x I cannot add, so x as it is, plus 18 plus 28 plus 32 plus 14 plus 36, 128. So x plus 128. So 23 6 are, or 23 multiplied by 6 gives me 138, which is equal to x plus 128. So to find out value of x, what we used to do, we used to bring it here and this here. Okay, this we have done so many times before. So x is equal to plus 28 when transposed to RHS becomes minus 20, 128. Plus 128 becomes minus 28. So x is equals to 10. Okay. So what is value of x? Value of x is 10. Now similarly, question number 6, you can see question, if the mean of x, comma, x plus 2, comma, x plus 4, comma, x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 13, find the value of x. Okay, so which are the values? See, how many values are there? First you check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last year what mistakes students used to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of observations for them came as 9, which were wrong because they have taken each number separately. That shouldn't be done. 1, 2, always values are always separated by comma. Values are always separated by comma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So mean equals to 13, x is equal to what? You have to find out value of x. So mean is sum of values upon number of values. Mean is given 13 and sum of values means add all these. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 upon 5. Why 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross multiply 13 multiplied by 5 and this all multiplied by 1. So x plus, now see 1, x plus x 2x, 2x plus x 3x, 3x plus x 4x, 4x plus x 5x. So I have written 5x and rest of the constants 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. So 5x plus 20. 13 5s are 65 is equal to 5x plus 20. So what I'll do is I want to know the value of x. So what I'll do is I'll just bring these this expression here, LHS and this RHS. Okay, so I've done it. So 5x equals to 65 plus 20 minus 20. So 65 plus 20 when it's transposed minus 20. So 5x equals to 65 minus 20, 45. X equals to, since it is multiplied by, it will become division. 45 upon 5, 9. 5 ones are 5, 9s are. Alright. Now second topic is median. Alright. Exercise 34b. Find the median of 21 1, 2, see the information is given here. What you have to do is, while introducing this chapter, I told how to find median. First you have to arrange the given data or the given information or the given observations or the given values into an array. Array means arranging in ascending or descending order. So you can see I have arranged, already actually it is arranged in ascending but not always. Okay, so just be careful. So 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 24, 25, 25. Okay, I have arranged it in ascending. It was in ascending only. So what I do is generally is to find median, cut from 1 from here, 1 from here. Second from here, 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 here. What is left? Midterm, middle term is 24. So I say median is 24. Middle term is called as median. Okay. But when, if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if odd numbers are there, odd numbers of values are there, then I can find easily median. But if even numbers are there, that time what you should do? Let's see. I have jumped on third, second is homework. I've written here, second, fourth and fifth are homework. So now here if you'll see, first arrange in an array for median. Remember to arrange in an array. Array means ascending order. Array ascending or descending. So 12, 17, 18, 20, 23, 23, 36, 40. Now here I started from here 1, 1, 1, next, next, next. I cannot cancel anyone because 2 are left in between. Okay. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if even is there, even number of values are there, you will get 2 terms terms in the middle. So what you will do is median equals to 20 plus 23 upon 2. So this way this plus this upon 2. Addition of these 2 terms upon 2, 43 upon 2, 21.5. So if number of values are odd, easily you will get median. If number of values are even, the mid 2 values, add them, divide by 2 and get the answer. Okay. Question number 1, second, fourth and fifth are homework. Question number 2, mean and median. You have to find here mean also and median also. I'll show you. Find the mean and the median. You can see. Okay, this is the last topic which we are dealing with. Okay. So, you can see here. Mean and median, also same thing. Arrange in an array. I have arranged it. Okay, it was already ascending order. Okay, but sometimes it's your luck. Okay, so median, you can see these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number 7 means odd number. You will get easily. Okay, so median is 5. Mean is sum of values upon number of values. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9 plus 11 upon 7. So add all, 42 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 6. So 6 is the mean. Alright, so hence mean is 6 and median is 5. Second, third and fourth are homework. Look here, revision, what we have to do is, for mean and median, revision we are going to wind up in this during this session only. Okay, because it's an easy chapter. So I'm winding revision here only by giving you more questions as homework. Okay, so fifth one, if you'll see, since it's a point wala, I'm taking it. So 1.2, 1.9, 2.2, 2.6, 2.9 array, arrange it in array. So 1.2, 1.9, 2.2, 2.6, 2.9. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd. So one middle term you will get. So that's median. For mean, you know sum of all the observations upon number of observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 here, just add, you will get 10.8. Answer is 2.60. Answer is 2.16 after cancellation, after division. Hence mean is 2.16, median is 2.2. Here also same thing. Arrange in an array. You can, array means ascending order, 0.5, 2.7, 3.8, 4.4, 4.9, 5.6. Median I am getting 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even numbers, so mid two terms are these two. So 1, this plus this upon 2. Okay, is equal to 8.2 upon 2, 4.1. I hope you are understanding. So mean is addition sum of all upon number. Sum of all the values upon number of values. So add all, 21.9 upon 6 equals to 3.65. Hence median is 4.1 and mean is 3.65. Okay. And rest are homework. I hope you will be able to do it. And here we have almost finished our syllabus. If some addition, if some addition extras are there, I'll let you know. And for revision, I have told you 3rd Feb is the last date, but in between also you have to continue submitting. Okay, that doesn't mean you will wait up to last moment, otherwise it will be headache and burden for yourself. All right. Okay, mean and median revision we are winding up in this session only. Okay, there will be no extra revision because I have given more homework in this lesson, because it's easy, just add and divide. Okay, so I hope you understand, and I hope you are studying. Children, please start studying. Okay, thank you so much.